Alright, so the last place we went to really didn't pay out. We caught a couple, but really wasn't that good. So now we are coming back just to Morrison to maybe get some fish online. Maybe, you never know. Come check it out. I haven't been down here since the water's lowered. So I want to come see how well the fishing still is since the water has dropped. The wife and the kid came down here the other day and checked it out. So I wanted to come down here and see too. Alright, stay tuned and we'll let you know if we catch anything. Alright, so Matthew's back into the season of, we're going to go over here, get off this bridge. Fishing the creeks. Usually I'll come over here and fish the Boise River, but Matthew just found a whole school of them again. You know how Matthew is with these creeks. Finds a whole bunch of them. So we're going to come down here and hang out for a little bit. Not even close.
I know. You not see them all? No.
Wrong way. Too far. Wait, just pull back a little bit.
You not see them right there?
They're right in front of you. I can see them.
I can see them here too. Look, it's right there.
We could do a competition. Who gets one first on a worm or a fly? I bet I would win.
No, probably right.
Oh, there's a nice one in there.
You not see them all?
Yeah. I just don't want nobody to run off with my tackle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring it over here. Tackle's pretty, it ain't too expensive, but when you got as much as I have, it gets pretty spendy. What?
You got a good thing.
We always bring too much fishing gear. We need to downsize it.
Yeah, and then. Yeah.
I'm gonna get a fishy.
Yeah, you are. But I'm not.
I can't see them now.
They're not over there.
What?
They're
Oh, I spooked them all towards you.
No, they're further out than.
Maybe I need a bigger worm.
Yeah, you just see that.
Hey, look, bigger worm.
Oh.
You should never leave your worms container when you're done with it. Alright, well, Matthew's playing with that. I swear I've seen some fishies jump over here in the dark. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but hey, keep an eye on our tackle box. We are going to go in the canyon. I don't know if you guys can see in the dark. If I hold the camera a little bit different. Oh, got a bite. Matthew caught one before I did. A little bitty guy. You can't see him because we're too far away now. I found a weight. Well, I lost the challenge with Matthew, so I decided to come over here with Wyatt. We got Wyatt. He was fly fishing. Well, I think I'm going to win the challenge. I just got a bite. But we decided to start our own little challenge over here, where we can't see the fish, and see who gets one first. Come on. Come on. Dude, that one's running. Dude, it is running. Oh. It's really going. That is a nice one. Let's go over to my tackle box and see if I can save its life or not. I think it swallowed the hook, but I'm not too sure. So, we're going to have to do a little bit of surgery. Alright, we got this. If I got to cut the hook off, we'll cut the hook off. But I'm allowed 6 fish. I might just keep it. It's a nice sized fish. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I think I'm going to keep this. Nope, yeah, I'm going to keep it. Nice pretty one. I'm going to take this guy home and eat him. You guys can try your luck at coming down here and catching one. But this one's mine. What? Well, I don't think well, I do have a stringer. Ain't very long though.
I can tie it up to this log right here. Oh, okay.
The stuff I do to find goodies. Holy cow, I think this is the biggest amount I've ever found. Rocks, lures, weights, spinners, lots of rocks. Somebody likes using rocks as weights around here. But I found lots of goodies. Now I'm trying to get back to my fishing hole I was in. It's tied to my basket.
I don't see it.
Oh, it's there.
Oh, I see it now. Where are you trying to get to?
I'm just looking to see what else I can find in the water while you're fishing. If I had goggles, I could probably see a lot better. But this is awesome. Even got a crawdad leg in there. Poor guy probably got snagged and had to release his claw. It's going to spend a while to get all these goodies out of this.
I got mine.
Got sticks, branches, twigs, whatever you want to call them. But all I know is I found goodies, I found goodies. Lots of goodies. Look at that, handful of goodies. Stuff I do to fish. I enjoy fishing. I enjoy finding stuff.
Yeah, you would probably catch a monster fish if you threw it. Because I don't think I'm going to catch anything.
No?
No. Is that a crawdad claw?
It is. I'm trying to get it off of there.
Monster.
What?
Monster crawdad claw.
I know. It's like someone tied it on there or something.
Someone probably did.
Got it. Here, fishies. Alright, stay tuned. We'll let you know if we catch any fish. Oh, we got one. Bringing pliers?
Nope.
Oh, neither did I. Let me see the fishy. Yeah, I did. Alright, well. Settle down, fishy. Well, I finally caught one over here. Not too bad, pretty beat up. Alright, well, we found lots of goodies on this adventure we just did. It's been fun. It's been fun bringing you guys along. This will be our 101st video we've created, I think. I don't know if it adds the shorts in there or not. I didn't look. But, you know, it says we have 100 videos now. Thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't yet, remember it's free. You don't have to pay nothing. Just straight this way. Follow your way, 1 foot at a time. But, you know, we do this just to get the kids outside, see the outdoor, take them fishing, let them enjoy, let them have some fun. We actually got Wyatt this summer into fly fishing. Loves fly fishing. Matthew actually started too. He's actually running my fly rod because he doesn't have one right now. But, you know, time will tell. We might get him one. But, you know, thanks for joining us on our videos and our adventures. Thanks for liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. Eventually, someday, you know, you never know. We just do this for the fun of it, though. And let you guys come along and check out what we're doing every weekend. Definitely wader season, though. But it feels nice. Whew, found me another find. All right. Thanks for coming with us. Right here.